This is Website to Software, where you turn any website into a desktop app. On the homepage, you can see the main option to convert your website instantly. Here, I enter the website URL I want to convert into an app. Next, I add the app name and confirm the details. Now I select the platform. You can choose Mac OS, Windows, or both. I click on Create Desktop App to continue. The system now starts verifying the payment securely. Once payment is verified, the app creation process begins automatically. Here's the confirmation email showing that the app is ready to download. I switch to the desktop where the downloaded app file is available. Now the installation starts. The progress bar shows the setup in real time. The app installs smoothly without any extra steps. After installation, I open the app directly from the desktop. The app launches and loads the interface. Here you see the login screen inside the desktop app. I enter the login details, just like on the website, and that's it. The website is now running as a full desktop app. Visit websitetosoftware.com for more details.